Hi guys, this is Tree from Fats and Trees. I'm at the Pixel Gallery here on the Carnival Horizon. We're going to go over a few steps on how you can redeem your pictures now on your Carnival Hub app. Don't forget, download your Carnival Hub app because this is very important. They don't want you to leave your pictures behind. They want you to purchase them. So what you're going to do, download the Carnival Hub app so you can follow these steps here. And if you don't want to do it that way, because also you can pay for it on the Carnival Hub. And if you don't want to do it that way, you can come over here to the Pixel Gallery. So what you're going to do with the Pixel Gallery, you're going to put your folio number in here. Bear with me. Don't put your folio number in here. And then they asking for your date of birth. So you're gonna put your date of birth, your month and the day. And then you're gonna have it here. And it says awesome cruise memory. You're gonna start. You can take a selfie and put it there if you want to. You don't have to. And also you're gonna skip it here. And you're gonna say agree to the facial information. And then all your pictures come up right here. All your pictures gonna show up right here on this, and you can just select which ones you want. So today I selected the Aruba port. So these are the pictures that we took on the Aruba port. All the pictures that you take on board of Carnival Horizon or any Carnival ship, you will get it right here. So I'll log out here, take you over here. This is a new feature as well. If you want to view your pictures on the screen, you come over here. Right here on the screen. They'll pop up one by one. Also, we have some down here. How they popping up on the screen here, they have more and more popping up. The picture will be right here so you can view it. So this is a new feature that Carnival has. It's very good, easy for you to buy your pictures, and you don't have to stand in a long line. So, with the tutorial of the Pixel, when you're on Carnival the next time, go ahead, check them out. Here's the desk over here. You can ask questions. Pixel Gallery. Any questions? Let me know in the comments, and I can answer.